Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change image download settings on BOTIM. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the application and then make sure that you are logged in. Then you can tap on your profile right here. And after doing that, here tap on calls and chats. Then tap on auto download media. So after doing that, here you can see there is the option of photos. If you tap on photos just like this, here you can see currently it is by Wi-Fi and cellular. If I want to change it to only Wi-Fi, I can do that by tapping on it. Or if I don't want any image to be downloaded through BOTIM, I can tap on never. And just like this, I can change image download settings on BOTIM. If you go back, here you can see we are all done. The photos are in never. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.